Let's take the air pump out of its box. Here's the pump. It's compact and sturdy, very powerful, enough for up to 6 air elements at the same time. The outer construction is made of aluminum with increased surface area that allows for better heat dissipation. In conjunction with the internal, dry lubricated construction, this pump will last a very long time, as it doesn't retain heat as much as other pumps. The air intake is on the back, while the outtake is on the front with a removable nozzle. Also, you can mount it on a wall using the provided rubber feet. All you have to do is screw it in. This is the air distributor that you can connect your pump to. It has 6 nozzles that are adjustable, so you can control which elements are on and off. You'll use this small tube to connect the splitter to the air pump. All you have to do is push it on. This is an example of an air distribution element. This is the cylindrical air stone. All you have to do is connect the tube here, and it pushes air through the stone and bubbles out its entirety. Here is another example of an air distribution element. This is the air stone disc. As you can see, the plastic outer ring increases its life, and it works by pushing air through and bubbling throughout the base. Lastly, connecting tubes. These are sold separately, so make sure you buy some. All you have to do is connect them from the distributor to whatever air element you're using. First, we'll attach this little tube onto the copper nozzle. It's not too hard, you just have to coax it on. Next, the distributor onto the nozzle in the same way. Now we can attach the air cylinder using the tube. Again, just coax the tube onto the nozzle. We can even add the disc. We could add up to 6 elements here, and this little pump could do them all. So there's your Vivosun 32-watt air pump, complete with its setup. When you install it, just make sure that it's not too close to the water.